So this is our vision actually, ki at least how we can provide or how we can contribute in this unemployment. So with this vision, definitely by 2020-30, will be the biggest the financial product distributor with the contribution of and the help of these 10 million agents. To all the young entrepreneurs, just I want to tell them, figure out any problem. If you face any problem in your life, so definitely just you can figure out, or you can see like how many people are facing the similar problem, and think something to solve that problem or to add the values on that kind of problem कि आपने जो face किया, at least you can save a lot of people's time or energy.
Hello, everyone. Today we have with us Jitendra Dhaka, a visionary leader in the world of fintech and co-founder and CEO at BankSathi. With a career dedicated at revolutionizing the financial advisory landscape, Jitendra has successfully cultivated a thriving community of over 1 million financial advisors. At BankSathi, he leads the charge in reshaping the industry, emphasizing the importance of fintech growth and leadership. A very warm welcome to you, Jitendra.
Yeah, thank you, Tanvi, for having me here. Thanks a lot.
Pleasure is all ours. So, could you start by sharing the story behind the inception of Bank Sati and how your personal experiences influenced this venture?
Yeah, sure. So, thanks for this wonderful opportunity. Definitely love to share how we started BankSathi, what vision we have. So, first of all, just I want to tell to all the audience, like I bottom and kind of tier three, tier four area where I saw a lot of people. Like even I personally faced at the time of my like college education loan. So my father told someone in my relative, yes, come and help us to get that loan, and we got that loan at 13 or 14% interest rate. But just after the college, just I got to know, yes, some loans are available at 9 or 10% also. So just then I realized like how many people are facing the similar problems, and the same thing at the time of the childhood time. Actually, I faced a lot of things. I saw my parents also, and neighborhoods also. So like people keep their money in their house even for a year or 2 years, even that is small money. And जब उनको लोन लेना होता है, so they took loan from the loan sharks actually at the 2-3% of the like monthly interest rates. But in case of bank loans, actually loans are available at 10, 11, 12, or max to max 16, 17% interest rate. So people are facing these kind of issues, and this is all because people don't have that level of knowledge and awareness about these financial products usage. So this is the only problem. Otherwise, in India, we have enough banks, enough NBFCs, enough fintechs are available. If we can provide the access of these financial products, definitely every person can we can empower to each and every person. So with this vision and mission to empower next 500 million people by providing them the right financial product access, we started Bank Sati in 2020.
Oh, that sounds amazing.
Yeah.
So, as a fintech entrepreneur, what were the primary challenges you faced while establishing Bank Sati? So, especially in a diverse market like India.
Yeah. Yeah, definitely lot of challenges we faced. So first of all, I came from the technical background. I did my engineering in computer science, build a tech product during my college days. So entrepreneurship in my blood actually. So that is one thing. Second thing, the customer acquisition, and during my college days and before Bank Sati, I actually did another venture that was in the media buying and the technology side. So at that time, I got a lot of opportunities to travel in India, multiple cities. So I explored metro, tier one, tier two, tier three, four, five, every type of consumers. I got to know their mentality actually. And second thing, even multiple countries I visited. So वहां से एक चीज समझ में आई कि यार हाउ पीपल आर थिंकिंग, किस जगह के लोग कैसा सोचते हैं. दिस इज द वन थिंग. सो वी वर वेरी मच कॉन्फिडेंट कि एक्चुअली what people are looking actually. So this was the strength of us. But when we started Bank Sathi with that vision कि यार सबको सब कुछ access देते हैं, so in that case the biggest challenge was to tie up or to bring all these financial institutes or the banks and BFCs or the fintechs on a single platform. This was the biggest challenge for us. And since I'm not from that banking background, but banking is my passion, fintech is my passion. So it took around 17 18 months to onboard first bank on our platform. But that was challenge only, that was learning for us also. But right now we have very good relationship with the banks, and even as on date we are onboarding a single product in max to max 15 days. So that will change in next like last 2 to 3 years.
Wow, that's actually very
Yeah.
impressive. So, your vision is to basically have 10 million advisors by 2030,
Yeah.
something that we researched on. And so, how are you planning to achieve that ambitious goal?
Yes, definitely. So in India, we all know like 140 crore people are there, right? People need trust at the time of buying any financial products. And even in India, already around 10 million people are already involved in this financial product distribution, but they don't have any single platform where they can get the multiple products on a single system actually, right? So a lot of people like LIC agents are able to sell only LIC products. Some people are involved in other insurance companies, some motor insurance, some health insurance, some like only credit card products they have, and only limited banks products they have. So in this case actually we build the product, क्योंकि ऐसा मार्केट के अंदर पहले कभी कुछ होता ही नहीं था where agent can access all the financial products categories and the multiple financial institutes in the multiple categories, right? So we built this model actually. And second biggest problem was in this agent community, that was the lack of knowledge. क्योंकि जब तक एक एजेंट और एक एडवाइजर को जब तक नॉलेज नहीं होगा हाउ दे कैन सेल, हाउ दे कैन एडवाइज द राइट प्रोडक्ट टू इन देयर कम्युनिटी. So definitely we build the model. We started to educate these people through the recorded video and the training, live training sessions on daily basis. So every day we are doing 20 to 25 live training sessions where people can learn what is the loan, what is a credit card, even basic things we are educating people. And even they can ask like how they can sell, what is the benefits, how they can like educate to the customer also, how customer can get the benefit. So all these things we are helping to these agents. Apart from this, because it took around 18 months, I already told you, for the first IF. So same every agent is facing. So that is not a easy task actually. But with Bank Sathi, this is very simple process. With a single signer, agent can get all the product access in 1 or 2 minute process. So that we created. So through this actually, this is the one thing which we created. And second thing, already in 2 3 years we created that level of word of mouth in this agent community where we already our agents earn more than 100 crores in last 2 years. So this is amazing. Even right now around 5 to 6 thousand active agents, like earning agents, are earning on monthly basis, and their average earning is more than 15,000. That is more than our per capita income of India, per capita income. So this is our vision actually, ki at least how we can provide or how we can contribute in this unemployment. So with this vision, definitely by 2020 will be the biggest the financial product distributor with the contribution of and the help of these 10 million agents.
That's brilliant. So, your idea is to educate the agents to cater to tier one, tier two, tier three, tier four audiences.
Yes, yes. Even
That's
last mile, our target is to be on the last mile on every pin code. Actually, our tracking is on the pin code level, and our goal is to be on every pin code across the country. And as on date, we have agents on 98% pin codes across the country.
wow.
Yeah,
So, I think 10 million is not a bigger deal for you guys.
yeah, definitely. So we have 7 years still.
I'm sure.
Yeah.
So, with the rapid digitization of financial services today, How does Bank Sathi ensure the security and privacy of the user's data? So that is something that is a concern I feel in today's
Yeah,
world.
yeah, definitely. This is a very valid concern. Or so definitely, actually, what we are doing, we are digitizing or providing the technology to our agents. Actually, they are not collecting any data from the customers. So first of all, and second thing, in the bank level, data is fully secure with us. We are using the cloud servers we have, so there is no access. Even I don't have any access of any user as a founder. So that all the RBI guidelines we are following, in even banks audits, or like in audit level, we are much secure. So in this case, actually, we there is much secure options, and even in the agent side, that is much secure because they are not getting any access of the consumer data. So like here, consumer can see or can feel that much confident from our side.
They can completely trust you.
Yeah, definitely. Not only trust, actually, we are not taking any account data kind of where we can withdraw any money from their account. So that we are not taking any access.
Okay, that's very nice. So, how do you see fintech landscape evolving in India, and what role do you envision Bank Sathi playing in this evolution?
Okay, so in India, actually, the fintech is still, this is a beginning. We know in India, actually, the penetration for all the financial product is very low as compared to like Asian rivals or the developed countries. So let's take an example. Like in India, we have only three credit cards on 100 people,
Right.
whereas in China, that is almost similar country to India. In China, actually, there is 50 credit cards on 100 people. So we can see the gap, right?
Mm.
In Singapore, there is 150 credit cards. In USA, there is 330 credit cards on 100 people. So gap is almost 100 times. So this is the opportunity, first of all. And second thing, in last 2 3 years, actually, the digital era already started. Even in last 2 3 years, almost each and every product journey or on like customer acquisition journey is happening through end-to-end digital, actually. So this digital era will support us, even Bank Sati or this entire fintech ecosystem to grow. So actually, as per our research, so this industry will grow by 20 to 25% CAGR for next 5 to 10 years. So and most important thing, people are much keen to take to adopt the credit products. Even access, they are now they are able to get the access of multiple financial products in bank. Even in Bank Sati, how we are helping the customers, actually, even banks can sell directly to those customers, right? But through the Bank Sati, our vision is to provide them the right financial products. Right financial products means, suppose in case of the like bank account. So बैंक अकाउंट खोलते टाइम जनरल पर्सन क्या करता है कि यस go any bank, or you can open the bank account. But before buying that bank account, banks are providing like which bank account is better for you, right? So we are helping them. You can compare the interest rate. Suppose if you open the bank account in SBI, any bank which is providing 5% interest rate, and on Bank Sati you can see which bank is providing more than 5%. So definitely you can see the list of the banks who are which are providing more than 5%. So suppose if you took that decision by comparison on the Bank Sati platform, so you can take the decision, or you can open the bank account in the bank which is paying 7% interest rate. So definitely on average, suppose if you maintain this 1 lakh balance in a year, throughout the year, so you can earn extra 2000 in a year. So in this case, we are helping. In case of the loan products or credit products, we are helping them to show them like you are eligible for this low interest amount. So there is
Mm.
no need to take high rate of interest loan.
Hmm.
So in that case, definitely they can save that amount. So in these cases, we are helping them to grow their money, or we are helping them to save their money.
Okay,
Yeah,
that's that's nice. So basically, you're catering to all the needs of your customers through your product.
definitely, definitely.
Okay, so Bank Sati also operates in a sector that is constantly evolving with new technologies, like we
Yeah.
just spoke about the digitization today. So, how do you stay ahead of the curve in terms of innovation? So, in case something new pops up or a new technology pops up, how do you stay ahead of the curve?
Yeah, definitely. We are the technology first platform. So technology is most important part of our overall vision and mission. So even as on that, we are helping consumers on every pin code across the country. So till that, 98% pin codes customers use BankSathi in any way, like tools or any products they bought. And that is happened due to technology only. Because we don't have any person like BankSathi person on the ground. Agents are using that technology. So through the technology, by using these some strong algorithms and data analytics, we are helping our consumers to give them the eligible products on the behalf of their customer details. So we are analyzing the data of customers, and customer can see I'm eligible for these products. Then customer can compare properly. And AI also, conversational AI we are using to help them. Even in the night they can ask any question,
Okay.
or our conversational AI, which already we trained that AI, so they are helping them to get their answers. So technology definitely that is much matter for us.
So what I've understood is that instead of like bank advisors, you also offer like AI services where people can just interact with the AI tools.
Yeah.
Okay, that's also very interesting. So was that a challenge to develop and train the AI system as per like the constantly changing market in India?
Yeah, definitely. So first of all, we are working in under highly regulated segment. So that is RBI, IRDA is there, and SEBI is there. So definitely we can't do apart from this regulation side. So there are some challenges definitely we faced. This is a new things. So there is a lot of things which we need to think before any implementation. So we are doing a lot of experiments, how we can help to our agents, how we can help to our even financial institutes and the consumers, where they can get the better decisions before buying any financial product. So in that case we are using, but the challenges is again the things are new. So we are trying testing a lot of things. R&D department is there, so they are continuously doing any R&D, how we can implement, how we can help, how we can build a better experience. Even in the UX UI also we are using this AI, like how we can improve, how better experience we can give to the customer. So in all these scenarios we are using this AI part. Yeah.
And so, how do you foster a culture of continuous learning and innovation within your team? This is something that I believe we have spoken about, that how you believe in educating your advisors as well. So, how do you keep them updated with the current knowledge and education?
So there is a proper L&D department, learning and development department is there in BankSathi. So they are continuously evaluating our content, improving our content, like what is the new in the market. Even we are taking the help of banks guys, financial institutes guys to educate our advisors, and the team is also creating a new and new content. So the content required is about the basic knowledge about this financial industry, how it works actually, how the lending works, how credit part work, how bank accounts work, how investment works. So we are educating about the basic knowledge of the education. And second part which required about the particular department means particular product, we can say, like HDFC bank credit card. So we are building the contents where consumer can get even they can get the comparison also, okay, which product is better for me, right? So in these cases, so there are very basic gaps in India we have right now. Like people, if someone get the credit card, suppose, even that person don't know how to use that card. तो उस केस में that person will get some interest or some penalties from the bank side. And there is no fault of bank, actually they already conveyed in that document, but no one is ready to read that document which is it's coming with that credit card. So we are helping consumers by with the short videos and the contents, where they can get like what do's and don't of the credit card. Even in the loan case, like there is in that case also we are helping ki how after taking the loan, how like you can pay EMIs on the time, what is the importance of paying EMI on time, what is the importance of credit score. So in India, even more than 95% people don't know what is the exact value of this credit score, why you need to maintain the credit score. Even in last 2 3 years, people are getting awareness around this. People are much cautious to maintain the credit score, actually to build the credit score. But still 95% population is still not at that level of awareness. So in
Right.
that case, we are helping, and continuously we are improving our content. We are doing a lot of research around the fintech reports, ki what is the gap actually, how we can fulfill as a bank sati, how we can contribute in this overall ecosystem. This is our whole game.
That's very nice. So,
Yeah,
I believe that because of this culture and these values, you've received a lot of contributions from notable figures during your seed funding round as well.
yeah.
So, how have those partnerships influenced Bank Sathi's journey?
Yeah, definitely. So we raised two times, like one is the seed round and second pre-series A round. So we got a lot of love from good fintech entrepreneurs, financial institutes, or like very good entrepreneurs who already done very good job in their venture. So in this case, definitely they love to know about, well, like what we are doing actually, and they are so much happy to contribute in in this our journey actually. Coach, almost people, like we can say, around 80 90% people or entrepreneurs are first time entrepreneurs, so they come from that tier 3 4 kind of area. So and they understand what is the gap actually, and if you are fulfilling this gap, they are contributing with us. Even they are, apart from money, they are helping us, like how we can grow bank sati, how we can get better tie-ups with the banks, how we can do much better in the technology side. So yes, definitely we got a lot of love from these people apart from money.
So, they help you with the marketing and how to keep growing in future.
Exactly, definitely. So a lot of supports we are getting.
That's nice. So, lastly, how do you envision the future of financial advisory services in India? And how do you think Bank Sathi would align with this vision? One thing I think we've understood that it's through constant learning and educating your own team and even your clients.
Hmm.
How else do
So
you?
financial advisory will be the big part, definitely. Right now, around 5% people are, 5 to 10% people are like little bit aware about these financial things. So still we have 90% of the population, and if I keep the lower 50% part, so still we have the figure of around 500 million people who want to grow. Those these people are have the aspirations to grow, use to credit, use bank accounts, use investments. So we have very big area in the market size, we have very big area actually. So 50 million people is not a small, and everyone wants to grow. And in that sector actually, our goal is to create very serious entrepreneurs or the advisors on every pin code across the country.
Hmm.
राइट. सो जैसा होता है, सिंपली इफ यू नीड समथिंग रिलेटेड टू किराना, सो वी हैव किराना शॉप इन आवर एरिया. Every in overall India, in every pin code, in every, like even gully or mola, there is kirana store. So
Right.
why the financial advisors are not there?
Hmm.
वो नहीं हो सकते क्या? सो वो कैसे हो सकते हैं? वी आर वर्किंग ऑन दैट. आवर विजन इज, इफ समवन वांट्स टू take the advice around any financial products, so there should be any person who can help them, either any financial products, like even bank accounts, even demat accounts, even any investments, the insurance, in the credit card, in the loan products, so how they can get the better access and the better product as per their requirements. And and it is not possible without education actually. So we
Right.
are creating the educated agents where they are helping with the knowledge. Without knowledge, again, they can't give the better advice to the consumer. So through the technology, we are providing them this knowledge, the marketing things. We are helping them, and even they all agents are the technology empowered. They are not using their brain actually. They are using the technology, and through the technology, customer is getting that exact product which is like best fit for their financial help and their requirements both.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's nice. So, on an ending note, I would like to ask you two quick questions, which will be
Yeah,
for our young audience. So,
yeah,
firstly, since you
definitely.
said that you're so passionate about entrepreneurs and this entire field of entrepreneurs, what entrepreneurial advice would you like to give to our generation?
Yeah, definitely. To all the young entrepreneurs, just I want to tell them, figure out any problem. if
Mm.
if you face any problem in your life, so definitely just you can figure out, or you can see like how many people are facing the similar problem, and think something to solve that problem, or to add the values on that kind of problem कि आपने जो face किया, at least you can save a lot of people's time or energy. So this is the one advice which I want to give in this side.
So, your approach should be to solve an actual problem and
Actual
not just.
problem, that is very very much requirement. Coach, in this case, actually right now in Bank Sathi, I can feel how we are helping to consumers, coach. I faced that same problem in my life,
Okay.
so I can feel, I can for how many people I can helping to them in that problem actually.
That is very insightful.
Yeah,
So, also, what do you think about the content creator world of social media? Since you have been creating so much content for your team as well, and you
yeah.
actively believe in learning and developing new sorts of content. So, do you have some sort of an advice or an opinion about the content creator world today?
Yes. So, like even before Bank Sathi, I worked in that era of the content creation. Not only video, actually, the text content we created, we generated more than 1 billion views on our websites, right? So, just I want to tell on this side, even influencers or the content creators, either on the social media, either on their blogs or any kind of. So, the only advice just I want to give: create the genuine content, not for to get the followers only. If you start to generate the actual content which is actually relevant to any person, or if that content is adding values in someone's life, so definitely you will be the big influencer in your life. Maybe it will take time, but with the time definitely you will get that level of authentication, that level of respect from the audience. So always believe in any niche you can create the content, but at least keep this in mind कि content should be much much relevant, much knowledgeable, एंड प्रॉपर रिसर्च के साथ में आपको कंटेंट बनाना चाहिए, क्योंकि इन इन्फ्लुएंसर साइड लॉट ऑफ पीपल आर बिलीविंग ऑन द इन्फ्लुएंसर्स, इन द इन्फ्लुएंसर्स, and if you are providing any wrong content, so definitely you are doing wrong with someone. So in this case you can do wrong, you can do good with people. So think about around this कि yes, this is like there is no authority to us कि we can do wrong with anyone, so we don't have any authority like this. Yeah,
So, one last thing. So, since you said that entrepreneurs should have this certain set of core values to just solve a problem in this world, and even content creators should push out content that is genuine, that is helping people in some way. So, what do you do in case people are doing something and have been doing on this journey and on this path, and they feel like quitting? So, what do you do in that aspect when they feel like giving up and they don't see results?
so again the KPI we need to track कि what is the mean of result actually. So if someone is expecting money from the day one, so I think in influencer that is not an easy task. But if they really love to deliver the content, if they really add the values in like in the audience, either younger audience or the older audience, so if they track this KPI कि यार मैंने कितने लोगों को actually educate किया, how many people are getting the value addition in their life, so definitely later or sooner it will convert in the money.
Thank you so much.
Yeah,
So, we believe like patience is a huge virtue in every field. So, thank you so much for joining us. And those were actually wonderful insights.
yeah. Thanks, Tanvi. Thank you so much for having me and for your time. Thanks.
Thank you. We had a wonderful time. So, thank you.
Sure. Thanks.